That's the new word on the streets. That means that we are concerned that we're going to have a flu spike and a COVID-19 spike all at the same time. Are you scared yet? Don't be scared. Get strong. Let's figure out how to support your immune system. Your immune health matters. It's your sixth vital sign. Are you tired of me saying that yet? I'm going to keep saying it, but it's so important to really pay attention to this aspect of your health. What does that mean? It means that you can protect yourself from all of these different viruses that are out there at different times of the year by really paying attention to your immune system and beating inflammation. That means an anti-inflammatory diet, reducing sugar, getting those good healthy fats in your system, and a lot of great plant-based foods that up something called glutathione. Glutathione protects our cells, really provides oxygen to where it needs to go, and keeps us superpowered, which you know is what I want for all of us. After diet, we've seen study after study talk about the need for key nutrients, being low in vitamin D, being low in vitamin C, and zinc, and B. All of them have come out in different reports and talked about how the deficiency results in a weakened immune state. None of us want to be in a weakened immune state, especially if we're dealing with a twindemic. It sounds like Batman and Robin. But what we do want to do is make sure we've optimized those levels in our bodies so that we're ready for whatever is ahead. So don't be scared of the word twindemic. Instead, develop your own personal Immune RX. Use my immune support guide. It's on drtaz.com, and put the pieces of your health together. Your diet, your supplements, your food, your exercise, your mind-body strategies, your relationships, your work, it all matters. It plays into your chemistry, and that determines what happens with your immunology. So stay healthy, stay well, stay superpowered. Don't be afraid of a twindemic, but instead get strong and get smart. We're going to get through this.